Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, y'all, Victoria's Secret haul. Y'all, I cannot wait to show you what I got. Look, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the bell to be notified. Also, y'all, if you have a Victoria's Secret account, make sure you check your points to see if you have that $10 off certificate that you can use on anything. All right, y'all? You ready? I am so excited. Here we go. Here we go. Right, okay, we got some scissors right here. Right. All right, so as you can see, it's not a real big haul, but I'm still excited. All right, so of course they always give you these coupons. So if you decide to order from HelloFresh, 12 free meals, box strips. The first box ships free, plus 3 surprise gifts. So you get this. I never buy from HelloFresh. If you bought something from HelloFresh, leave a comment down below. Let me know how this works, because I don't know. You know your girl is into this plush or marshmallow puff coats. I have a plush bag, Steve Madden bag. So Victoria's Secret, well, it's called Puffer. So Victoria's Secret had a quilted puffer tote bag. Something about this puffer that got me just liking this all over again. You know, my coat. Oh my gosh, if you haven't seen the Victoria's Secret marshmallow puff coat, go check that video out. And when I tell you, it is so comfortable. Baby, it is so comfortable. I end up buying 2 coats, a size small and a size extra small, because first I was like, the small was big because it runs big, and then I was like, you know what, maybe I want something that fits me, so I got the extra small. But look at this right here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, look. Man, I know. I'm a shopaholic. I know. Oh my gosh. Look at this. And when I tell you, this matches my marshmallow puffer coat, and I'm going to show you. So this is the puffer coat that I was telling you about that I am in love with. And this one is the size extra small. And when I saw this on sale, I went crazy. I was like, and it was on sale too. Y'all, I had to get it. Same color and everything. Original price, $50. You're going to not pay no original price. All right, so it has that zipper all the way across, and on the zipper it has P for pink, and it does not have that little. Some products have like that bad smell to it. It has that new car smell, that new smell. And this is how it look in the inside. Y'all, I am so excited. And then on this side, have that deep pocket so you can unzip it right here. And then right here, just little 2 pockets right there. Y'all, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Look at the straps, it's thick too. It feels sturdy, it doesn't feel like it's cheap. And it has a pocket right here. Oh my gosh, that puff. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this puffiness. And you have another one right here. Oh my gosh, when you put your hand inside, it is so soft and comfortable. So we're gonna put this back up in here. That same material, so you gotta be careful not to have any type of grease or anything fall on it, because it will leave a stain. And this is my other item that I purchased. Let me put that paper back in. Where do that paper? Some of the receipts tell you, well, I don't know what I did with the paper. But I leave, yeah, I'm trying to find the receipt, but I leave the information on the prices of my puff tote bag. And this is that Victoria's Secret robe. Oh my gosh. Now I was just trying to figure out if I should get the house shoes, and I had it in my cart for a long time, and the ones that look like this had sold out. Oh, there it is. The paper's on the floor. So on this one, it didn't have the price on it. And yeah, so it didn't have the price. And I love how it has your name up there. Cassie, we hope you enjoy your items, which I always do. I always enjoy everything that I buy from Victoria's Secrets. And when I tell you, if you have an issue and you call the customer service, call the customer service number. Customer service is great. I love like talking to, every time I talk to someone, it's just that feeling that they care about you. Let me show you this right here. Look at this. It's so soft. Oh my gosh. So I got a size medium large for this. And the original price was $59.95, which your girl did not pay. It was on sale for, I believe, $20 or $25. I believe so. But again, like I said, I'll leave that information at the end of the video, how much I paid for each item. Look how soft this is. It looks soft because it is soft. It is really soft. Oh my gosh. So this is how it looks. Now they have different sales going on weekly, so you want to make sure that you just go online to see what sales they have. They also have, if you've been shopping, that they have this card, shoppers card, $25 off a $75 purchase. So make sure that if you're going shopping in this time that you use that. All right, y'all. So thanks for coming. So you can see what I purchased from Victoria's Secret because, oh my gosh, I am so happy and I can't wait to wear this robe. Now, let me tell you this real quick. My niece, when my daughter was FaceTiming her, and I was just thinking about the robe, but when she had it on, and I was like, that robe looks really comfortable. Is it comfortable? And she was like, yes. And I was like, I gotta get one. And I'm glad I got one. She ended up buying two, but I think one is enough for me. But yeah, y'all go online, get you a robe for yourself, get it for your mother, because this robe is so, when I tell you, it's so soft. It's so soft, this material. And then it says Victoria's Secret. Man, I want to know what the secret is. If y'all know the secret, I know it's supposed to be a secret, but what's the secret? What is the secret? Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's like really soft and at a good price. Man. All right, y'all. So thanks again. Make sure that you get you a robe. And get you a puff tote bag. Also, the marshmallow puff coats are still on sale. They're still on sale. So make sure you get you a coat too, because this is so comfortable. And I love the fact that it matches my bag. All right, y'all. So y'all be safe. Until next time, I will see you later.